A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed over here, and today my topic is to show you how you can get the PDF copies of NCERT books and use it in making powerful PowerPoint presentation for teaching purpose. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can get the online NCERT PDF books of each and every subject. And then in the next tutorial I am going to show you how can you use those PDF copies of the books to prepare your powerful presentation. So what you have to do first of all, if you are using a laptop or you are using a desktop, then you will have to download one software from the net that is known as WinZip, or you can download WinRAR also. So any one of the thing you can download, but freely available is what? WinRAR. So let me show you how can you get WinRAR software first of all, because it is very essential and needed to download the PDF copies and keep it chapter wise, so that we can make our powerful presentation chapter wise also. So let me show you how you can get it. So if you are using suppose laptop or desktop, you might have a Google Chrome install in it. Just I'm clicking on Google Chrome, you can see there it's opening, and we will have to search for the software. See, I'm writing over here the search word download WinRAR, and if you have to check it that your system is using 32-bit operating system or 64-bit. Most of the system use 32-bit operating system, so you can check that from the system. Now how will you check that whether your system is using 32-bit or 64-bit? Let me show you that also. First, from here, right click on computer, go to properties, and from you can see over here it is written system type, and in the system column system type is 32-bit operating system. So from there you can get the information of which type of operating system you are having. 32-bit operating system you are having. Now you will have to search like that, download WinRAR 32-bit free, like this. I just click it on. You can see the first link that is given to you, that is our important link. Click on the link. You can see over here download WinRAR. Over here you can see WinRAR 5.90 English 32-bit. Just click on this link. You can see over here WinRAR compress, all these things are giving on. It is saying to accept the cookies. Okay, now clicking on this download WinRAR. You are just one click away. So I just click on download WinRAR, and you can see in few minutes this will start getting download. You can see over here in this area, and it has started to download. Let it complete. Let the download. Is very small software, you can see over here. Then you can click on this. You can click on open also, and it will just ask you simple installation like this. Click on yes, then install, then sit click all those whatever everything you click all, select on or like this. Okay, then click on okay. That's done, you have installed, and congratulations, you have all installed WinRAR software. You can see the folder has opened over here after getting installation. Just close this folder. Now our work is done with the installation of WinRAR softwares, so that we can now download the whole book from the net of NCERT. Now our next step is what? Again click on Google, go to the Google Chrome, and then you will have to write download NCERT books. You can write ebooks, downloading NCERT ebooks. You can see the first link that is given, that is our good link. Click on the link ebooks NCERT. Now it's NCERT. I will also share the link of these websites in the description box, which will help you a lot. So we want to download textbook of classes. Let me increase the screen size. Textbook of class 1 to 12 PDF. See, very important for us. So I will click on the first link. Now it's you can see over here the link has opened. Just click over this at this portion, click select class. Suppose I want to download class 10 book, you can see from 1 class to 12 class everything is available, and class 11 and 12 combined books are available, so it is very helpful for all of us. So click on class 10 according to your class, according to your needs. Select the class. Suppose select social science. I'm selecting social science over here, and select book title, which book you want. Contemporary India, है ना, समाकालीन भारत, आसरी, है ना, हिंदुस्तान. So suppose you want to download history book, okay, then we will select this one, India and the Contemporary World 2 over here. According to your need you have to select, and then click on go. Just wait few seconds. It will help us a lot to prepare the powerful presentation also. So if you will have the PDF copies of the book, if your school is using NCERT books, then it is very good, and if your school is not using NCERT books, then you can ask the publisher to supply you, to give you the PDF copies, because if you will have the PDF copies, you will not have to copy all the things, you will not have to write or type all the things in your powerful in your presentation. Otherwise you will have to type. If you don't have PDF copies, then you will have to type in the presentation, so your typing speed must be good also. So if we will have PDF copies of the books, then it is very useful, very easy to make such a powerful presentation, which helps me a lot while teaching in the class, and which help you a lot also. So let us see over here. Few options are over here. Prelims is there. Prelims is there. You can see prelims is there. Guiding for using QR code. Let it go. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chapters in that. So you can download the whole book at once, or you can download one by one. So I am going to download whole book at once. Download complete book over here. I clicked on the download. You can see over here at the left hand corner, top at the bottom left hand corner, it has started to download, and it is, see, you can see 30 MB. It will take a few time. I'm going to pause it, so that after download I will show you how to move ahead. Now you can see over here the whole book has been downloaded over here. Now what is next step? Just click over here and click on show on folder. Now you can see the folder over there. Now you will have to just right click on this download file, and just you click on this extract to JES 3DD, and like this you just click on this option. Now the whole book will extract and will show you over here. You can see this folder, first folder over there. Okay, now double click on this, then new folder. Now you can see the books over here. Now JES 301 is the first chapter. If you will click on the double click on it, and you can see the first chapter over there. This event and processes, you can and just minimizing it and scrolling it, I can show you the first chapter over there, NCERT. But remember that you don't have to republish, don't have to print also. Okay, so this is the first chapter. You can see this is the French Revolution, I think. And let's see the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. From here you can see. So we have successfully downloaded this chapter 1, and this, then again chapter 2. You can right click and rename as chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 like this, and if you will open that, there will be chapter 1. Okay, that's section 1, and this is for the rise of nationalism of Europe, that is chapter 1 from class 10 chapter, the rise of nationalism in Europe. So you can right click and write the name also. Likewise this 302 is second chapter, 303 third, 304 and 305. These are the 5 chapters. So you will have to just save it in your computer, and in our next tutorial I will show you how to make PowerPoint presentation from this. For the time being, thank you all. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and press the bell icon also, so that you can get the next release. Thank you. Bye bye all. Take care.